Hello, boys and girls. Alrighty, welcome back. Day 3, Chapter 6, Lesson 4, talking about the different ways that Earth's surface can change. We have talked about how the tectonic plates in Earth's crust and mantle move and end up causing natural disasters. We've talked about volcanoes and when they erupt. We've also talked about earthquakes. And today we're going to talk about a couple more things. First thing we're going to talk about is landslides and floods. Heavy rains can loosen up rocks and materials on a really steep slope. Gravity, of course, then pulls that loose material downward. The rapid or quick downhill movement of large amounts of rock and soil is called a landslide. Buildings, cars, trees, whatever's in the path can be carried down along with the moving soil. As you can see here in this picture, pieces of a house, it looks like this porch off of this house have been pulled down in this moving rock as well. Floods can also produce rapid changes. Large amounts of fast flowing water can uproot trees, move large objects, and even destroy buildings. All right, and the last thing we're going to talk about is droughts. Sometimes an area can experience weather that is much drier than usual. Periods of unusually low rain or snow are called droughts. Now, we'll go in the summer sometimes with no rain for a little bit, but when there is an unusually low amount, that is when it triggers a drought. And it usually ends up with land looking a little bit something like this, so deprived of water that it literally just dries up. So droughts can end up destroying farmland, kill plants and trees, and this can also result in the low amount of water in rivers and lakes, which means that the wildlife that lives in rivers and lakes may also be affected as well. Alrighty, so now that we have talked about all the different ways that Earth's surface can change, you do have an assignment today and your quiz is tomorrow. As always, go back through these past few days of lessons. They're not that long. That way you can review and be prepared for tomorrow. Have a great afternoon, a great Friday tomorrow, and an even better weekend. See you on Monday.